Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of professional audio with a focus on the best-in-class Behringer Flow 8 input digital mixer with Bluetooth. Whether you're a musician, podcaster, or sound engineer, this versatile mixer promises to elevate your audio game to new heights. Let's explore why it's creating such a buzz in the market. The Behringer Flow 8 is not just your average mixer. It's a powerhouse designed for flexibility and performance. Boasting 8 channels and a sleek, compact design, it's perfect for both studio setups and live performances. What sets it apart is its integrated Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless wireless streaming of audio. Let's delve into some key features that make the Flow 8 stand out. Firstly, it functions as a 10-in, 2-out USB audio interface, making it incredibly versatile for recording directly to your computer. This feature alone makes it a game-changer for home studios and live recordings. Navigating the Flow 8 is a breeze thanks to its intuitive user interface. Each channel is equipped with precise control knobs and LED meters, ensuring you have full command over your sound. The layout is ergonomic, designed for quick adjustments in any setting. When it comes to sound quality, Behringer doesn't disappoint. The Flow 8 delivers pristine audio thanks to its premium-grade preamps and 24-bit converters. Whether you're amplifying vocals, instruments, or mixing tracks, expect clarity and depth in every sound. The Bluetooth connectivity of the Flow 8 opens up a world of possibilities. Easily stream backing tracks, connect mobile devices, or integrate wireless instruments without hassle. It's a feature that truly enhances its versatility. Adding to its appeal is the remote control app compatibility. Control the Flow 8 wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet, adjusting settings, levels, and effects on the fly. This level of control ensures seamless performances and recordings. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on our hands-on experience with the Behringer Flow 8. Its compact size and robust build make it portable yet durable. However, some users might find the learning curve steep when exploring all its features. To wrap up, the Behringer Flow 8 input digital mixer with Bluetooth earns our stamp of approval as a top contender in its category. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, its blend of functionality, sound quality, and connectivity make it a worthwhile investment. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to check the links in the description for more details and current pricing on the Behringer Flow 8. Until next time, happy mixing and mastering.